Okay, welcome to YASASHI Geijutsu episode 1. This is punch physics. Okay, so what we're going to learn today is how to punch. Alright, so when we're punching, we've got to remember, elbow is very important. Alright, so when I throw a jab, I want to throw a jab straight and hard. Notice my elbow lifts up. Okay, so we're going to do some slow ones just to show you. So we lift the elbow up and straight out, elbow up and straight out. So if I'm doing it from the left hand, elbow up, good, elbow up. Alright, so now we're going to add a little bit of power into that. So from here, straight jab, elbow up. Okay, so we're going to add a little bit of power again, elbow up. And notice my body is not moving backwards and all that. If I hit softly and I don't ground myself, I'm going to knock myself backwards. We don't want that. We want to go forward. Alright, so one thing to keep in mind is I'm not punching from back here. Okay, if I punch from back here, my jab can't reach, my cross can't reach, it's only just touching. Okay, I want to be here. I want to be within around 2 feet from my opponent. Okay, so that way when I punch, see that? My arm's going straight through. My arm is about 2.5 foot, 3 foot long. Past the target. Alright, so when I'm here, okay, so I'm throwing the jab, remember, elbow up. Alright, and with that, we want to make sure we're punching with these 2 knuckles. That's why we lift the elbow. Right, the elbow generates force, generates power, but also helps our fist come down so our knuckles hit. Okay, so from there we're going to do jab and then cross. Jab, cross. Alright, now I want you to notice something. This is the physics. I'm using potential energy from the ground. That potential energy is going to come up through my body and create kinetic energy out of my hand. Okay, so we need to put force, ground our body, ground our feet into the ground, push. When I push against the ground, what's going to happen? The ground is hard, so the ground is going to push back basically. Okay, when it does that, it sends potential energy up my body, flows out my arm, kinetic energy out of my hand. Okay, so if we watch, alright, I'm using the potential energy pushing up out of my hand. Okay, so this goes if we're doing a no-inch punch, up to a 6-inch punch, up to a 12-inch punch, doesn't matter which one we're doing, it's the same idea. If I ground myself, right, fighting position, ground myself, okay, no-inch punch. Same thing, okay, I'm sending force, potential energy, up my leg, out my arm, kinetic energy, out of my hand. Okay, so let's see it again, alright, so no-inch punch. From here, I want to send the force up and out my hand. Okay, so then when we add it at 1 inch, it's the same thing. Okay, and then it's the same with a jab. Alright, okay, so now we're going to move on to our jab cross. When I do the jab, you notice potential energy off the front leg. When I do the cross, potential energy is going to come from the back leg. Okay, front, back. Alright, so I'm going to do this the other way around so that you can see. Front, back. And you'll notice when I turn, I spin a little, come up on my toe a little bit, and I push. Okay, so when I'm pushing, I'm using potential energy from my foot, pushing up from my buttocks, up, and out my arm. Okay, and this doesn't matter if we're doing it slow or fast. Okay, if I'm doing it fast, it's the same deal. Okay, I'm still using potential energy out of my feet. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm doing this. Alright, so watching the legs, okay, coming up through my legs. Now it's coming into my hips and into my torso. My torso is going to spin. All right, what's going to happen is it's going to go opposites, 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 opposites. You notice my hands are already moving, see? Okay, now when I use that and I bring out the energy out of my hands at the same time, it becomes this. Okay? Very good. Alright, so now we're going to move on to a front fist. The front fist is exactly the same idea. If I'm standing in a fighting position, okay, so what's happening? Same deal. I'm bringing up potential energy straight up my body, straight out my fist. Okay, kinetic energy is when it touches and pushes through. Okay, alright, so when I'm doing that, even with the other hand, alright, back fist here, yeah, straight through. Alright, so now this can work from down here, it can work with your hands up as well. If I'm protecting myself, yeah, I don't want to fight, alright, I don't want to fight, backhand. Alright, we can also use this in another way, one up, one down. Yeah. One up, one down, nice and quick, yeah? Even roll over, right? Roll over, yeah? Beautiful. Okay, so it all works together, but the potential energy, as I said, needs to come from the legs first, out the hand. Alright, let's move on. So, with the jab, we're going to take it down and slow again. Make sure, standing fighting position, our leg is going to push down and lift up, and as it lifts up, you're going to throw the punch. Throw the punch. Throw the punch. Now from there, I lift up, I'll throw the punch, and then my next hand, my left hand is going to go. So this is going to become one movement. 1, 2. Okay, so from the other way. 1, 2. Alright, needs to become 1. Beautiful. Alright, so with that, we're going to now work on just a couple of exercises to go with it. Alright, so this is jab, so we want to go jab, then we want to go jab, jab, we want to go jab, jab, jab. Alright, so you want to do 1, 2, 3, go back to 1. Alright, then you want to do 1, cross, and you want to do 2, cross, 3, cross. Alright, now you'll notice when I'm doing the quick jabs, I'm not doing this. Okay, this is where we need the power to get into our arm from the balls here, up, and bang, bang. Alright, so you'll notice I'll keep my arm up. 3 jabs. Alright, this is going to lead up obviously for my cross. So 3 jabs, 1, 2, 3, cross. Alright, so make sure we're working on that potential energy because it's important. Without it, punch doesn't work. Alright, now a couple other things I want to go through just quickly. When we're doing jab cross, yeah, jab cross, make sure that we're staying on balance. Alright, never overextend yourself. Yeah, otherwise I lose my balance, or kazushi. Okay, from here, and I lean forward too far, oh, yeah, I'm going to lose my balance. Alright, so I want to stay centered, I want to stay grounded, so that I do not lose my balance. Okay, so then if I miss the punch, I don't fall over. Yeah, miss, I don't fall over. Okay, so make sure you're not leaning over the punch. You want to center yourself, bring the force up, out the hand, out the hand, out the hand. Alright, okay, now with that, remember too, knuckles, very important. Okay, elbow up, knuckles, very important. Do not hit with these knuckles, because you will break them. Okay, alright, so I want everyone to remember that. Don't break the knuckles. Okay, well, we're going to move on to one more punch, just a quick one for this one. Alright, so we've got jab, cross, we're going to come back for a back fist. Okay, so with your back fist, same deal. It's going to come up, it's going to come around, and it's going to hit. And when we hit, it's like a slapping motion. Okay, so when we're doing that, up, slapping motion. Alright, so if we do a jab, cross, cross. Okay, cross, cross. Alright, so we'll do it from the other way, you can see. Jab, cross, back fist. Jab, cross, back fist. Make sure everyone notice this hand is up, yeah, because that's obviously coming in for the next strike, whatever. Okay, one last thing before we go today. When we do the jab or a cross, whichever one it is, there's another reason for the elbow being up. First and foremost, power. Secondly, helps my hand hit the target properly. Alright? Thirdly, when we lift it up, okay, you can see my elbow comes in. Alright, so my elbow's already there. Okay, so I can throw the jab and elbow at the same time. Jab, elbow. Jab, elbow. Okay, the best part is when I hit the head with the jab, the head's going to go back and come forward again. So as it goes back and comes forward into my elbow. Okay, so that's just a little tidbit for you. So elbow. Alright, so elbow. Yeah, that's one to think about. Alright, so make sure that you practice some of this. Alright, if you haven't got a bag, practice on whatever. Get someone to hold a pillow for you, cushion off the lounge, do it in the air, do it on a pole, whatever you can find. Alright, make sure you're not hitting it hard if it's something hard, obviously. Maybe put some padding on your hands. This has been all for us today. Watch out for episode 2, and we'll see you soon. Be good.